The Arizona Technology Council represents 7 distinct sectors or clusters of technology companies. For instance, aerospace, aviation, and defense. It's a very robust industry in Arizona. We have almost 1,300 aerospace and defense companies across Arizona. A lot of the name brand companies in that industry like Honeywell and Raytheon and Lockheed Martin are members of the Tech Council and an important sector to Arizona's economy.
To enable new aerospace and defense technologies, University of Arizona researchers test materials at very high temperatures in a furnace that is one of a kind in the United States.
We worked closely with a domestic manufacturer to scale up the furnace to a size that would allow us to make large-scale ceramics that would be of interest for industry. So some of the industrial partners we have on other projects that would use this furnace are Honeywell, and other companies are interested in providing some materials to do scale-up using this technique, which would enable rapid manufacturing for their output of their products. In addition to industry, we have a strong interest from Department of Defense, and Raytheon is another example of a large defense company that's highly invested and interested in seeing this technology turn into something that will enable new materials on their aerospace systems.
We're pleased and happy to be here in the Phoenix area serving our customers because of the presence of some large aerospace primes. One of our main customers is Boeing out in Mesa. We also have relationships with Raytheon down in Tucson. We do business with Honeywell, another local company.
At a time that many companies are outsourcing their engineering or outsourcing and offshoring their manufacturing, we're bringing those key disciplines together in close proximity. This is allowing us to build a broader product portfolio. It's also allowing us to build corporate infrastructure that establishes us as a prime contractor for the Department of Defense and as a Tier 1 supplier for the airframe manufacturers.
Honeywell has a huge presence here in the Valley. We're one of the largest employers in the Valley. Honeywell Aerospace has, in fact, the largest aerospace portfolio of any company in the world.
Additive manufacturing is just another name for 3D printing. This laboratory uses additive manufacturing to print metal components, such as this one that I'm holding in my hand. The big advantage of the technology is for this particular part, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of sheet metal, 1, 2, 3, 4 castings that are normally welded together is now printed as one component, one part number. In this particular case, one of the benefits is that I can reduce the cost by 50%, plus I can get a part in a matter of days instead of months.